also do there is a charging cable that is like this kind of shape. So you can unscrew. There is like 4 or 5 bolts here, and there is actually plenty of spaces under here, and you can cut the hole and glue this thing like right in it, and so to make the power to your iPad. But this iPad like will hold like a lot of hour of like music to play, and you can do this like it's like right here. It's supposed to be, see, it's like right there, and you would have a power. But other than that, it's just you have to trim here or try to like not trim first, but I recommend to like trim it so it goes like because it have a hole here. Everything here is so tight, and I didn't even touch this part, but I worked here kind of. So you can, so this one bolts to the dash, and this one goes like right on top of it. No modifications needed. There is maybe some modifications like where your radio sits, so you might have to trim your radio area, kind of the plastic in your dash, but all of the locations for your clips are all intact. So goes right, just like that, and iPad goes on top, and it sits here in a lip right there. It looks very nice and looks very original.